How's it going, everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV&MC, and today we are showing you the Tusk Spare Tire Carrier for the Yamaha Wolverine RMAX 1000. All right, everyone, thank you for checking in. So if you have an RMAX 1000 looking to get a spare tire on there, you got to check out this spare tire carrier from Tusk. It's made from powder coated steel. It looks good. The mounting on this is awesome. It mounts right to the back of the roll cage. Super sturdy. And what's great about this mounting location is that when you have your spare tire on here, it does not affect your bed space whatsoever, so you still get all that cargo capacity. Another great feature about this spare tire carrier is that it's adjustable for different wheel offsets. So depending on what setup you have, you can adjust this either out or in so that your wheel sits as flush as possible when you have everything mounted up. Also, if you do not have a jack on your vehicle yet, which you got to have one of those to get your machine off the ground when you're changing your tire out, is we do have a mounting location for our Tusk UTV scissor jack. Now that jack won't come included, but we do have a kit available, so if you want to pick up both at the same time, just makes it a little bit easier to do that. So great mounting location for that to get everything you need mounted up and ready to rock for your next ride. If you have questions or comments, we would love to get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. To grab yours today, it's simple. Click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com to pick one of these up and check out all the other great accessories that we offer for the RMAX 1000. Orders over $75 ship free, and if you want to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products for the RMAX 1000, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and that will keep you up to date. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.